get another run in. Believe it or not, it's starting to snow.
Speed's still like 3 meters per second.
On the previous run, we were going to check out why the characteristics are so different when it was landing. Return to launch and land, slightly different in commands, and we're not sure.
You did return to launch.
Oh, did return to launch. And we'll see how this affects it. We are getting some gusts because you can tell from the snow blowing straight across. I got a hunch that's what's... We may have different descent rates for the land command and the return to launch command.